Hi guys, it's Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for checking out our channel where we're all about bathrooms on our current project that I'll probably put a little walkthrough link to on this video. But just a quick how-to video to cover up copper pipes going to a towel rail or radiator that has just been left there and look a bit unsightly. Here's our radiator. Now you plumbers might be thinking, why didn't you put chrome pipe to it to start with? But I'm not a big fan of compression joints underneath the floor, so I tend to go for copper, and we do it this way. So tools needed on this job, we've got a pack of chrome pipe snaps, we've got a pack of chrome collars, 15mm, we've got a Sharpie or a pencil for marking, tape measure, pair of scissors. Right, let's get into it, shall we? Okay guys, grab your chrome collar. You'll see it looks a bit like this. It's split in the middle, it's got a tab here and a little locating slot there that goes into. So I sort of break it open like that, twist it, on it goes, and then we fold that over, clip it in. And I always turn the slot to the back, which I quite like. There we go, and we do that on the other one, just to show you again. There it is. Right, that's the chrome cover plate. Let's get into the rad snaps. Right guys, so you've got your chrome rad snap. We're going to measure off the top of this plate, okay, to the underneath of the nut here, okay, from there to there. And this is about 157, 158. So we'll mark that on here. And then we simply take our scissors and cut that on the mark. Just like that. This comes apart like so. And we'll wrap that around like that. Okay. Same again, always have the joint at the back. Right, tape measure. Cut and on. There we go. There we go guys. That's smartened that up nicely. I hope that's been helpful. Let me know how you get on with that. And we'll catch you on the next video. Give us a like and subscribe if you can. And we'll talk you through some how-tos in the future. Thank you.